First things first, the most important bit, a hat. Hello everyone, and what we have been given to try out through Tailrite, I'd like to thank Tailrite for this, is the new Hydrotail dust suppression system. They sent us a box of stuff out and I'm going to show you what we've got. First things first, the most important bit, a hat, which you're going to wear now. Looking good. So they actually sent us the Hydrotail. So this one's got the brass tip on it, not the orange plastic tip on it. So that's their new one. Just open it up. So what you've got here, obviously, that is the hose section, which goes on around the grinder, and you can bend it to different locations where you need it. And obviously, this goes down to either a water tap or a tank, which I'll show in a second. And also, it comes with a Velcro to wrap around the grinder, and also a zip tie to keep that in place. So that's part of that section. And they also have sent us the water tank, the hydro tank, which that comes with a thread on it. You go directly into that thing there. So pump it up, put your water in, pump it up, attach it there, and then you can take that anywhere, nice and portable, so you don't have to worry about using a hose. And also they've sent us some spare parts for it as well, which is handy, in case any breakages occur. And a nice little flannel as well. Clean ourselves down with after. And how we're going to put that on is, so I've got my grinder here ready. Got a grinder there ready. What you want to be doing is figuring out where you're going to have that on your grinder. So I'm going to be grinding some point in, so I'll probably have it somewhere like that. So it's spraying water onto the blade as I'm grinding as well to keep all that dust down. Obviously I'll untie that and then get that connected to the tank as well, which we'll video for you to have a look. Alright, let's give it a go.
Started the day with a Red Bull and rage. Sun's not up, but I'm out of the cage. Boss said smile, but I ain't been paid, so I laid his patio slightly mislaid. Marked it out, then I eyeballed square. Lays a level, nah, I just don't care. Customer says the wall's not quite right. Cool, enjoy your wonky bricks at night. On my boots, dropped the fence panel, blamed it on pool. She wanted curves, I gave her a ramp. This ain't a garden, it's a demolition camp. We dig, we pave, we kinda guess. Laid them slabs in a game of Tetris. We turf like kings, fence like fools. Measure once, cut twice, break all the rules. Put your patio dreams in our calloused hands. We'll turn your lawn into no man's land. It's loud, it's hot, it's mostly pain, but hey, you've got drainage, can't say the same. Built a wall, kinda, it's leaning now. Should've mixed the mix, but forgot how. Client said smooth, I said nah, rustic. Now their backyard looks post-apocalyptic. Drilled through a pipe, then played it cool. Extra feature, we call it a splash pool. We leave footprints in your wet cement, like signatures from lads who came and went. Laid the turf, but the wrong way round. Blamed it on a magnetic ground. Cut the fence short, filled the gap with hope. Held it in place with zip ties and rope. We dig, we pave, we mostly guess. Brickwork.
Right, and there you have it. All these grinded out with the Hydrotail attachment and the tank as well. But yeah, it definitely cut the dust down. You're going to still get dust, but it's not as much with the Hydrotail, so it cuts all that dust down massively. As you can tell, the neighbours have got the washing out and there's been none over there. So yeah, handy thing about that tank as well, comes with this carry strap, so if you need to go up ladders or anything, you can hang it on your shoulder and carry it up. Yeah, it's done fantastic there. Now we've just got the rest to do. Don't forget to like and subscribe.